Next one, a tower TB 50-meter high appears in a vertical photograph taken at a flight height altitude is 2500 meter above the mean sea level. Okay, just observe here. They are given the tower TB. For example, this is TP. The whatever points are, you can take it as a TB. This height of the tower is, that is 50 meter. So this is small h. Then they have given the, it is taken a vertical photograph at a flight height altitude is, that is 2500 meter above the mean sea level. So again, this is our datum. The height of the camera from this datum, that is equal to capital H. They are given in the pronoun. Similarly, the distance of the image of the top of the tower is 6.35 centimeter. It means in this diagram, the distance of the top of the tower, this one, it is printed on the photograph. From this distance is from here to the vertical line. Distance is, that is small r, it is equal to 6.35 centimeters. Similarly, compute the displacement of the image of the top of the tower with respect to the image of its bottom. Means we have to find out the whatever the bottom of the object or tower is there, it is printed on the photograph. It will print on the photograph how much distance will be there from the A point to A point or T to B. That is small d. We have to find out the small d. The elevation of the bottom of the tower is 1250 meters. Just observe here. The elevation of the bottom of the tower is 1250 meters. It means the whatever datum is considered in this figure, it is actually it is below of that one of the bottom of the tower. So from here to datum is height between this datum to this bottom of the tower is, it is 1250 meters. Clear? Then this is capital H. It is from the datum. Now solving of this one, first write down the given data, that is small h they are given, that is capital H. It is taken from the, with respect to bottom of the tower to the camera height, that is total height from the datum is 2500 minus with respect to bottom of the, this bottom of the height is from the datum, for example it is 1250. So actual total height is 2500, but for calculation of the d you have to take the bottom of the object. So total height minus of this height, that is 1250, we get the, that is capital H. Now we will get the 1250 meter above the bottom of the tower. Then they have given the R, that is 6.35 centimeter. I think it is centimeter, yes. Okay. Now we know the formula, D is equal to HR divided by capital H. We know the H, R value and capital H. Put up all the values. H is equal to 50, R is equal to 6.35 and H is equal to 1250. Here these are the in terms of meter, this one is in terms of centimeter. Solve this one, we will get the, that is 0.25. It is, the unit of this one is centimeter, because the whatever d distance is there on the photograph. Okay, the whatever d distance is there around the photograph, the photograph unit is, it is in centimeter. Last problem. A vertical photograph of a flat area having an over average elevation of is 250 meter above the mean sea level, with taken a camera having a focal length of 20 centimeter. A section line AB, it is 250 meter long in the area, measures 8.5 50 centimeter on the photograph. Means the distance of AB is in the ground, it is 250 meter. After taking the picture, the distance of this one is on the photograph distance is 8.5 centimeter. This means it is map distance and this is ground distance. A tower TB in the area also appears on the photograph. Means the whatever area considered is there, there is a one tower is there. The whatever tower is there, it is printed on the photograph again. The distance between the image of the top to bottom of the tower measures is 0.46 centimeter on the photograph. So again, this is the whatever tower is printed on the photograph, it is in the distance of 0.46 centimeters on the photograph. The distance of the image of the top of the tower is 6.46 centimeter. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, we have to find out the small h. In this problem, they are not given the any capital H here, height of the flight or height of the camera from the datum. But the whatever area is above the 250 meter mean sea level, F is there given. It is ground distance, and this one is map distance of the with respect to AB line. The TB tower distance is on the photograph, it is 0.46 centimeter, and the distance of image to image of the top of the tower is 6.46 centimeter. This is small r. First we have to find out the capital H, then later we have to find out the height of the tower, that is small h. Start with the calculation of h. Before that we have to write the with respect to given data map distance, ground distance, f, r. So here for phonetic of the h, we have to use the formula, scale formula. We can write scale in terms of map distance divided by ground distance. That is equal to f divided by h. Here consider the datum scale formula. Now the average ground to be selected as a datum, means the whatever the average elevation of the ground is 250 meter. So that's why they are using the datum scale formula. Put up the respective values. Map distance is 8.5, ground distance is 250 meter, that is equal to focal length is 20 centimeter, and last h is equal to, it is unknown. Simplify this one, we get the h is equal to 20 into 250 divided by 8.5. Then simplify this one, we will get the 588.20 meters. Then next we have to find out the h. Actually our formula is d is equal to HR divided by capital H. Then here we are finding out in this small h, so our h formula will be d into capital H divided by small r. Put up the respective value. D is 0.46, that is the height of the tower printed on the photograph. Capital S, just you have calculated here. R, they are given in the problem, it is 6.46. Simplify this one, we will get the height of the tower, that is h is equal to 41.89 meters.